the USA Pan Nonstick Standard Bread Loaf. Pan is a highly recommended product for anyone who loves baking bread. With its exceptional quality and functionality, this bread pan is a must-have in any kitchen. One of the standout features of this loaf pan is its material. Made from durable steel, it ensures even heat distribution, resulting in perfectly baked bread every time. The steel construction also makes it resistant to warping, ensuring longevity and consistent performance. The USA Pan brand is well known for its superior quality, and this bread pan lives up to that reputation. The brand's commitment to excellence is evident in the precision and craftsmanship of this product. It is designed to withstand heavy-duty use and deliver exceptional results. The silver color of the pan adds a touch of elegance to your kitchenware collection. It blends seamlessly with any kitchen decor, offering a timeless and versatile look. The rectangular shape of the pan is perfect for traditional style bread.